Northeast India da Ahanba Oina Manipur University da Japanese loan gi Chahi mangagi MA integrated program Ngasi Houdokkhre. Program adu ngasi University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendrana luchingduna University asigi court hall da Houdokkibani. Manipur University gi Department of Foreign Languages Japanese nasinduna pangthokpa thoram aduda University asigi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendrana hai University asida hangdokliba Department of Foreign Languages asi UGC na 11 plan gi matamda Japanese amadi Korean language ki oina sanction tawrakhibani. Department asigi oina hujik punna faculty taruk leiri. Hujik waliba faculty members sing asi launa bahotnari. Department asi India lengakna nongpok romda akhanaba midyeng thamlakpa haurakhiba matamda haudokkibani. Manung hanjinba Asia ge nongpok thangba saruk amadi Asia gi kha nongpok thangba saruk asi yamna maru oiba amani haiduna Department asina mahing masing tambibagi thabak pangthoktuna lakpani. Manipur amadi Japan gi mari asi ani suba malem gi lanjau gi matamdagi haurakhrabani. Malem gi ani suba lanjau gi aroiba saruk haibadi kumjali singamaga chamapan nimfu mari gi March thada Japanese Army gi ajauba division ahum Manipur da British mayok nanaba lakhi. Adubu Japanese Army sing adu kumjali singamaga chamapan kuntra mari nakpigani kunjali singamaga chamapan nimfu mari da Allied Force ki mahutta maithi duna Manipur dagi hankhibani. Lanfam aduda Japanese Army lishing nimfu rom thawai thaki thaudok asigi matungda Japanese singna Manipur asi yamna lumna lauduna Manipur da Japanese kaya toina lakwa haurakibani. Tungda Manipurna kumjali singamaga chamapan humfutharani thoida statehood fanglaba matungda Indo-Japanese Society na maibam lotpa chingda Japanese singi ningsing khubam semgatlakibani. Masigi matungda society asigi liching makada kumjali singamaga chamapan humfutaragi aroiba saruktagi Manipur da Japanese loan tambagi thaurang paikhatpa haurakibani. Ngasi University asida Chahi mangagi Japanese loan gi MA course ama handokpa asi yamna singthaningai oiba amani. Course asida Japan dagi mateng kaya amasu fangani thajai. Course asida tamgadoriba mahairoi sing asi maraibag yamna faba amani khali. Atopa lebak ki loan tamba haiba asi ngasi di skill development course amani haina longnarakle. Maram asina haurakliba mahairoi singna atopa lebak ki loan tamba amadi haijinba yamna wakanagani. Loinana thabak ingkhang changbadasu atopa loan sing haiba asi khudongchaba kaya su fangani haina mahangna makataki.
Attained its statehood in 1972, the Indo-Japanese Society, they had started building this Indo-Japan peace cenotaph at Maiban Lokpaching. And the Maiban Lokpaching was a very important battle during the Second World War. It was in fact called by military historians as a turning point, because it is from Maiban Lokpaching that the Allied forces tried to prevent the entry of the Japanese INF forces towards Nepal. And it was a very ferocious battle in which many people, both from the Japanese as well as the Allied forces, died. After that, the Japanese Hasegawa Foundation, they had again constructed Impal Peace Museum. And it is in continuation of that the Indo-Japanese Friendship Society was also established with the assistance of the late Sri P.H. Nandakumar Sharma. And thus the Japanese language learning program started in the late 1970s.
Ngasigi thoram aduda Manipur University gi Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra, Registrar Professor W. Chanbabu amadi University asigi Department of Foreign Languages ki HOD Professor S. Imoba na mathang sitna Chief Guest, Special Guest amadi President oina saruk yaki. Thoram aduda online gi khuthangda Japan Foundation gi Director General Sato Koji amadi Foundation asigi Advisor Yoshikawa Keiko su saruk yaki.